Hey, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to Noob to Pro Investor Part 3, where we take my friend Colby to a very beginner trader into a full-time investor. Today we're going to go right into his account and see the trades he made over the past month, if he lost money, if he made money, most importantly, what trades he took and saw opportunity in. So stay tuned for that, and also don't forget to wait to the end for the bloopers, as all you guys get a good laugh out of those. For some reason, TOS is lagging and we can't show you actually the exact buy and fill point, so we went right into TD Ameritrade website so we could show you guys and prove it. So he bought Tesla November 10th at 10:30 in the afternoon for $396.79. He bought 10 shares, so he did use a bit of margin. As you can see, his account was only $3,000. He used about $1,000 of leverage, which turned out well for him. As you can see, he sold it for a total of $4,165. So he made just over $200 a share. As you can see, we did invest a little bit in DGLY. Just a learning curve, just showing it was only 100 shares, about $200 position. We didn't really make or lose any on this trade. We were just kind of testing the waters. And very shortly after, he was already making money as he got a shy bit of beginner luck on his first fill entry. It was a very good buy on his part. And right after, even 10 minutes later, he was seeing significant profits of, how much did you make on this trade?
It was around $202.
Around $202? Exactly.
Yeah, it was 202 and change, I think. Alright, so you see right here where I bought the 396, just about. A very good buying opportunity. Very surprised I got filled, but I bought 10 shares right here. And within 10 minutes, I saw a gain, and I was up $100, 10 minutes or so, and I got on the phone with Jason, and I was like, dude, I'm up $100 about a Tesla. We were both excited, because it was my first trade. I was very ecstatic. 2 days later, I sold at, what was it? It was at 416 I sold, and I got $416.50. Yeah, I got like $200 off the trade, and I felt very happy about that.
So key points to take away is, yes, Colby uses indicators for a good buy opportunity. Set alerts, which is a huge thing to know when. Again, he said he was in class, so he wouldn't have known if Tesla didn't have that good dip if he didn't set his alerts. So kudos to Colby for setting his alerts, using his indicators, and mixing it all with strategy and locking in profits. The reason why he sold was it started to head in the negative direction, showing a D trend, and then he was already up $250, $260. And he realized that the least amount of money I want to take out of this trade is minimum $200. So it went down, hit his stop loss. He made just over $200.
So yeah, Colby, you bought in at, I'd say, one of the most perfect times, but who's to say that it didn't go down, you know? So you always want to wait for that confirmation, but in instances like this, you know, it could turn out really well for you, getting at the really low fill point and riding the wave up.
Right. Yeah, that's a good point. I got a little trigger happy there when I saw it dip below 400, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy instantly. But I should have waited for a little bit more confirmation before trying to get my position filled. But yeah, it worked out for me.
He saw his alerts, looked at the charts, and ended well. So props to you.
Alright, so moving into Colby's next week watch list, we have 3 stocks. We have ticker symbol CIIC, ticker symbol MARA, and ticker symbol NIO. Now, going into CIIC, this is a very hyped up stock, as you can see looking at the 180-day 4-hour chart. Big push from $10 with about 73%, and hopefully we're going to keep seeing an uptrend with this stock, and maybe we can get filled at the right time. So heading into the next stock, it's more of a penny stock. We have MARA, and looking at the 180-day chart here, we could see that it's at $3.50, reaching a previous resistance of about $3.75. Now, I like the looks of the MACD and RSI here, as we could see the MACD just crossed over. And as we can see here, the RSI does look to be a little bit on the oversold end. Now, if we see MARA break its previous resistance of 3.75, we could ride it all the way up to $5.06, which was its previous high about, 3 months ago, and with a 60% gain. But then again, these are very risky, high volatility stocks, so always have your alerts set. Make sure you have very good risk management as well. But let's head on to the next one, NIO. Now, NIO has been on a consistent uptrend in these past 6 months, as we see here following the SMA, the simple moving average. Right now, it seems to be, I like the MACD, it just crossed over, and the RSI is about equal level, not too oversold, not too overbought, and it is currently on an uptrend, and hopefully we could break the previous resistance of $54, and just up to $54 is even a 10% gain there. So if you get a decent amount of shares, that is quite a lot of profit. Yeah.
Good payday. So with the profits I made from Tesla, I decided to make a personal decision, withdrew some money, and bought a GoPro. It's always been kind of a passion to do a little lifestyle video, a little vlog, just of my life and stuff. So if you want to give that a check, link will be down in the description.
As you can see, Colby's account is now at $3,150. Hoping to get that to about $4,000 by the 1st of December, and then so on. Now that he has a little bit over $6,000 to play with, we're gonna really keep track of him and see his each and every move. Sorry to put him on the spotlight, but stay tuned to see how he does in the next few weeks. And don't forget to keep not only him accountable, but yourself accountable as well. Don't forget to stay focused, stay motivated, and most of all, take one step closer each and every day towards financial freedom. That's all of our end goal here. And most of all, what do you guys say, Bob?
Like and subscribe.
Because I was like super excited. I was like, damn, I just made $100, but
Did it just die? No, it's got infinite power supply. I just.
what part did you
I
cut?
was like, damn, I'm $100.
Damn, that's what I'm gonna say.
So now his account is up to $315.
3,000. 15. That's a blooper.
That's a blooper.
300. He lost 90%.
Jason, what's this? I love with you.
Okay, okay.
If I spit on it.
Still. Dude.
There's so much.
Oh, I thought I had a heart attack.
That's good, boys. That's good high energy.
You do it.
Alright, so moving on to next week's watch list for Colby's account, we have 3 stocks. We have ticker symbol CIIC.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I look at the thing, and Jason's lounge. He's like that.